everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Mohammed Fiez. Today we're diving deep into iOS 18.5, uncovering hidden gems and secret features Apple didn't mention. Ready to become an iOS super user? Let's go! Alright, so kicking things off, let's talk about Siri. Apple's voice assistant has been steadily evolving, but with iOS 18.5, it's not just about getting smarter, it's also about getting quieter and more discreet. This is a big deal for those moments when you need Siri's help, but don't want to announce it to the entire room. Apple's calling this new suite of features Quiet Mode, and it fundamentally changes how you can interact with Siri in public spaces or quiet environments. It's a subtle yet powerful upgrade that acknowledges not every Siri interaction needs to be a vocal performance, offering a more nuanced approach to voice assistants. So, how do you actually enable this quiet mode? It's tucked away but not too deeply. You'll want to dive into your Settings app, then navigate to Siri and search. In there, you should find a new toggle or a submenu specifically for quiet interactions or quiet mode. Enabling this will allow Siri to understand commands even when you're speaking very softly and critically, respond in a more subdued manner, often with on-screen information rather than a loud vocal reply. This is perfect for libraries, meetings, or late at night when others are asleep. It's about making Siri more context-aware. Definitely a feature worth enabling and getting used to. But one I think many will appreciate. Let's talk privacy and security for your apps. iOS 18.5 introduces custom app lock timers working with or without Face ID. Set apps to relock after inactivity, even if the phone is unlocked. Find these settings in the app settings or under app security. Choose timers like 1, 5, or 15 minutes. Enjoy flexible control over your digital privacy. Apple's been subtly infusing more AI into its software, and the camera system is a prime beneficiary. With iOS 18.5, they're rolling out Auto Frame AI, a feature that feels like having a tiny AI cameraman built into your iPhone. It helps capture smoother, more professional-looking video, especially in 4K at 60 frames per second. This is a big deal for content creators or anyone who just wants better videos. Essentially, the AI analyzes the scene in real time, adjusting the framing to keep your subject centered. It's like a digital gimbal, smoothing out jerky movements. This can make a huge difference in the final quality of your footage. Auto Frame AI aims to ensure your high-fidelity footage looks smooth and well-composed. It's about making high-end videography features more accessible. Visual Lookup in iOS 18.5 now recognizes logos and branding. Just take a photo with a logo, tap the Visual Lookup icon. It highlights the logo and provides brand information or links. A smart update making your photo library more interactive. Haptics are an underrated part of the iPhone experience. That subtle tap, the precise click, it's all thanks to Apple's Taptic engine. With iOS 18.5, Apple introduces granular haptic control settings. Fine-tune the intensity and style of feedback. Customize your keyboard clicks or notification buzzes. Access these settings under Sounds and Haptics or Accessibility. Apple gives users more control over their device's physical feel. Night mode has revolutionized iPhone photography, capturing great photos in low-light conditions. Older phones produce dark, grainy photos. It's a feature that just works. With iOS 18.5, night mode is more adaptive and intelligent. It adjusts automatically to varying low-light conditions for natural results. The iPhone now does sophisticated scene analysis. It adjusts exposure, ISO, and multi-frame fusion dynamically. The goal is seamless, effortless, low-light photography. Just point, shoot, and get a great photo. We all get them. Those random texts from unknown numbers, potential spam, or one-time verification codes that just clutter up our Messages app. Managing this digital detritus can be a pain. iOS 18.5 introduces an auto-delete feature for unknown senders. This helps maintain a cleaner inbox and reduces notification fatigue. iOS will identify unknown messages and manage them automatically. Options include moving them to a folder or auto-deleting after a set period. Set it up in the Settings app under Messages. Enjoy improved privacy and a cleaner Messages app. The Humble Calculator app on your iPhone? It's simple, it's always there. You type in your numbers, do your basic arithmetic, and that's about it, right? Flipping your iPhone to landscape mode transforms it into a scientific calculator. But iOS 18.5 adds a new gesture. Swiping with 2 fingers on the display unlocks more functions. Imagine revealing a unit converter or advanced memory functions. This 2-finger swipe could make the Calculator app even more versatile. So next time you open the Calculator app, try that 2-finger swipe. Alright, so there you have it. A deep dive into some of the coolest hidden features in iOS 18.5. The stuff Apple didn't exactly shout about from the rooftops. From Siri's new quiet mode to dynamic lock screen widgets and auto-frame AI for 4K videos, there's a lot to explore. Enhanced visual lookup and secret calculator functions. These updates refine the iPhone experience. Apple's attention to detail is impressive. Discovering these hidden gems feels like unlocking a new level. Which feature blew your mind the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Hit that like button and subscribe for more Apple secrets. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.